Hi everyone, how are you today? Today we're going to talk about how to write a good paragraph using the linking words and but. Okay, we also call those conjunctions. So I'm excited about this because writing is super important in learning English. It's how you can show your thoughts and ideas, your opinions, and it helps you to become a better English speaker. Now, level 30 students need to write a paragraph with 3 to 7 sentences to be able to go up to level 40. Students also need to write compound sentences or longer sentences to make their paragraphs interesting and to get full points in their writing grades. Okay, nice. Now, what is a compound sentence, you ask? It's two simple sentences joined together. So here's a great example of a simple sentence. Bill eats apples, okay? This has a subject and a verb. Remember that a verb is an action word. So here the verb is eats, okay? That's an action. Now a subject is who or what is doing the action. Who eats? Bill, okay? And quite often, usually the subject comes in front of the verb, okay? So Bill eats apples, simple sentence. Here's another good example. The dog is sleeping. Now here you'll notice that there's two verbs, is sleeping. Those are the two verbs that we use. And it is in the present continuous verb tense. That's okay. Where is the subject here? The dog is the subject, yeah. Water tastes great is my last example here. Which one is the verb? What do you guys think? Can you think what it is and say it out loud? Water tastes great. Which one is the verb? Tastes is correct. Okay, which one is the subject? Water. See how that comes in front of the verb. Now we can take two simple sentences and make them into one longer sentence or one compound sentence. And we use linking words or conjunctions. So here we have the two simple sentences. Bill likes apples. There's my little picture there. Bill likes bananas right there. To make those two sentences into one, we can use the linking word and, okay? And here then is our compound sentence. Bill likes apples and he likes bananas. There we go. So notice this little thing here, that is a comma, and that's going to come in front of and, okay? And that helps us to pause our voice. Bill likes apples and he likes bananas. Okay, so we pause there in our speaking. We call that a comma in writing. We can also use and for making lists, okay? Bill likes apples, bananas, grapes, and cherries. We can use and to explain what happens next. Also, I'm going to go to the bank and I'm going to go to the grocery store. So first, the person is going to the bank. Next, he or she is going to the grocery store. So that is the linking word and. The next linking word I want to tell you about is but. We use these for two opposite ideas. Okay, here we have Bill again. Bill likes apples. Bill doesn't like oranges. The compound sentence here, when we put them together, is Bill likes apples, comma, but he doesn't like oranges. So again, notice the comma in front of the linking word but. Also notice that the two verbs are different. We have likes, this is a positive verb. And we have doesn't like, which is negative. So that's a good hint that this is going to need but as the linking verb. Now you try. They want to learn English. We want to learn English too. Are these two similar ideas or are they opposite? What do you guys think? They're similar. We're going to use and. They want to learn English and we want to learn English too. This one here, I want to buy a car. I don't have enough money. Look at that. We have a positive verb, want, negative, don't have. So these are opposite. We're going to use but. I want to buy a car, but I don't have enough money. Now this one here, guys, this is going to be part of today's assignment. I'm highlighting that so you know. Write these three sentences down. Okay, I'm tired, blank. I want to go to bed. John failed math class, blank, he passed his art class. I can't remember his name, blank, I know his face. Okay, so write those down. You can also pause the video and write them down or just take a picture. And think about which linking word you're going to need. Are you going to need and or but? Okay, so think about, are these two similar ideas or are they opposite? Is one positive and one negative? If so, you'll need but. Okay, now you please rewrite these 3 sentences into an email and send them to me. Also, make sure to write a comma if you need one. Okay, so if you see somewhere in here you might need a comma, please write that down. Okay, in our next video, we're going to learn one more linking word that'll help you write a great paragraph. See you next time, you guys. Got this. Bye bye.